being an attorney general, is what I call the justice side. I'm responsible for the Human Rights Commission and, in a sense, for the enforcement of the Human Rights Act.
Okay, since you're dealing with human rights, I want to ask you about the statements that Sharon Carstairs has been making about men and whites. Tell me a little bit more about it. Maybe you could explain it to me.
I'm not so sure that I could explain Sharon Carstairs to anyone, but, well, I don't want to take that as a personal remark. I think she's a fine
Well, I think it's
lady,
certainly ruining her candidacy, that strange statement.
Position, but more specifically to that point, it seemed to me, from what was reported in the paper, and it may have been out of context, that Sharon Carstairs does not understand affirmative action. Affirmative action is not discrimination against the majoritarian groups in society, like, say, white males, which is what she seemed to suggest. Affirmative action says this: look, there are groups in society who are starting way behind the starting line in terms of, the race in the marketplace for jobs and opportunities and so on. Affirmative action simply says, let's bring these groups up to the starting line. I mean, fairness, the just society is what we're all about. And I'll give you a particular example. With limestone,